Welcome to our how-to video that shows how easy it is to rent and use these library shelf movers without having to remove the books. Perfect for reconfiguring or recarpeting your library. Step 1. Roll dollies to all four sides. Making sure that the bottom piece is on the side to hit the kick plate. Then, attach the bar that connects the dollies together on each side. Step 2. Take the two C-clamp bars and attach them on each end as shown. Step 3. Put in the rest of the crossmember bars and make sure that there is a set of bars on every spline of the shelving. Step 4. Hook the chains across the bottoms. This is very important. Step 5. Tighten the valves on the hydraulic jacks, and since they're facing each other, they will tighten in different directions. And then have everyone give 12 pumps to jack up the shelves. It's important that it is all done simultaneously to ensure an even lift of shelving. Step 6. Confirm that the shelves are lifted at least 3/8 of an inch off the ground and then roll the entire unit to the desired area.
Step 7. When you have the shelving unit where you want it, release all of the valves on the hydraulic jacks at the same time to let down the shelves. Then move on to the next set. It's just that easy.
Please feel free to reach out to us at www.carpetlift101.com or 615-533-0159 if you have any questions as far as rates and availability. P.S. We can also send our staff to handle the entire project if needed.